So here we have this Paleo International pre-lit, potted and flocked Arctic fir artificial Christmas tree. Now in this video, I'm going to quickly unbox and show you how to set it up, and then I'll give you a closer look at it along with what I think about it. It came packaged in the small cardboard box, and then opening it up, we can see all the parts that are nicely wrapped up inside. It also comes with a couple packs of replacement lights. This 4.5-foot tree comes with 2 different sections of branches, and then this birch tree pot. Also, the base is made of ceramic, and it's painted to look like a birch tree. Now to set this thing up, it's super easy. First, we're going to take part B and stick that into the pot. Then we can take part A and slide it into part B. There's a plug on each section, and we're going to want to go ahead and connect those together so all the lights light up. Now we can go ahead and finish setting up the tree. It's pretty easy. You just got to pull all the branches down, and then some of them you might have to straighten out. And once you spread them all out, it'll look like this. The branches on this Christmas tree are basically pre-fluffed, so where other trees may take an hour or more to set up, this one was really quick, and it took less than 10 minutes. The flocking makes a bit of a mess on the floor when you're setting it up, but once you get it set up, it'll stay pretty clean and it doesn't shed. So yeah, it's super simple to set up. So now let's take a closer look at this awesome Christmas tree. Alright, so starting off the base, like I mentioned before, this is a ceramic pot. Here's what the bottom looks like. It has 4 of these non-slip foam pads. They help make the tree a bit more stable. I will say though, it is a bit more wobbly than your standard Christmas tree base. The white painted texture to mimic a birch tree actually looks pretty realistic. I'm really happy with that. But this more yellowy color on top is a bit unrealistic. It's just a bit too yellow and should really be more of a light tan color. Anyway, taking a look at the branches on this, it's definitely a realistic looking tree, and the flocking or fake snow looks really nice as well. And you can really see what I'm talking about here. These branches just have a lot of detail. You can see all the individual pine needles. The branches are also pretty realistically shaped with all these different sizes of pieces coming off them. And you can have a branch kind of stick out at the top, so if you have a tree topper, then it's perfect for that. It's also pre-lit and the lights look really nice, although it could use a few more of them. And if you want to connect more lights in, it's no problem. You can see this is the double-sided plug, so you can just connect them right into here. Also, the box is plenty big enough that you can easily put the tree back in here and store it for next year. So yeah, overall, I think it's a really awesome, super realistic looking Christmas tree. It is a little bit expensive for how small it is, but for how realistic and detailed it is, I think it's totally worth the price.